Hey guys, and we're back today with another video for our antivirus. We're pushing it slightly further forward. We're going to add reports back into our client this time. Um, every antivirus has this feature. So we're going to jump straight into it. So as you can see, I have the client back open. I have created a new page. If you need to do that, you need to just right click and new page. I've named mine reports. And this is going to be a very short episode because literally all we are doing is copying this page like so. We're going to come back over to our client. We're going to go new unit and dump it in. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a save. Ooh, and then we're in the right directory as well. And we're going to name it reports. Like so. There is going to have to be a few pieces of modification. Well, not really modification, just cutting really. So that, like so. And these two are no longer required, although one of them will be required again in a second. And we just need to put the... Nope, we don't. Right, so that's that in. And the next thing we need to do is we need to come over to our old client and we need to get the declare. So the declare will be here. It's in the tab show function. And we're just going to copy that. We're going to come back over. We're going to come over to our main form. Click on our tab. You have to click over here to select an individual tab. Events. On show. And we're going to dump that in there. And it will error. We're just going to leave it erroring for a second. We're going to come up. And we're going to declare reports. And it will disappear. And if I remember correctly, we're just looking for our reports list view. So that's pretty easy to fix. So what we're going to do is we're going to try and get both of these at once. Now I'm going to have to shrink both of them because our new unit is slightly smaller than our old one. So you're going to click on the unit. You're going to make sure that we're actually in the unit, and we're going to press paste. Like so. And we have our units back. Now they will, as you can see, be oversized. So one is too big. So what we're going to do is we're going to adjust them slightly, like so. And there you go. Now if we come back to our page, I believe if we select our... Scroll all the way down. Yep, our error is gone. Now, this will be looking for the reports in the /reports folder. We've broken something. Oh no, we haven't. We didn't remove it. And we should see the report from the last scan I did, but we don't. We'll check the directory to see if there's anything in there. And if there isn't, we'll steal some out of the old folder. So you've got to remember this gets compiled in the Win32 into the debug, straight into the debug folder. And see there's no folder called reports. I have to delete all of these folders every time we finish these every time I upload these projects to pretty much save space. So they don't often hang around long enough to maintain folders. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy the sold folder of reports just as a method of seeing it. And I don't know whether that just copied them all over or not. Yes, it did. So we have all our old reports. This is just purely to show that the functionality is working. And there we go. So if we double click on one, what? We've forgotten something. I thought this was going too quickly. On event, select from file system, on event. So we just need to click this. We just need to copy this out. It was something I had forgotten, but that's the reason we use test data. So we're going to come back, we're going to select this, we're going to close the debug window down here so we can get a full view, and we want on click. Like that, and like this. And we'll give it another go. And there you go, guys. It's all working again. So that's reports added to the client again. We are slowly getting there. Next week, maybe a community plugin. It may be a community database. It may be adding full or quick scan. I haven't decided yet. Tell me what you want to see in the description. And until next time, guys. Hey guys, if you are not subscribed, please hit that big subscribe button in the middle and join the notification squad. If you missed last week's episode, that is here on the left, and if you are looking for something else to toy around with in Delphi, there is something for you on the right.